Oh, it's you. Why aren't you with the dead exes, like trying to hunt down the ninja birds?
Well, the thing is, like, I came here to retake the throne.
Retake the throne? Buddy, I was only gone for a couple of hours. I mean, hell. Like what I did with Enderbrine's lightsaber? Yeah, it's now double-bladed, and I've used ancient Sith artifacts to put it together. Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it looks cool, but I, I, I don't think you deserve to be the leader of this army.
Leader of the army, you say? Hmm? How will I teach you a few things? I am more powerful than you, and the Sith created me. Okay? Did the Sith create you? No, exactly. Okay? Because you are the son of the mighty eagle, just corrupted by Enderbrine. You're probably gonna absorb all the stupidness of him. See? So, if you're gonna fight me, I won't bother trying. Besides, I've beaten you in the past anyway. You see what I can do.
Oh yeah, that was because the old plan was just not to try and kill you. I was trying, but not properly try-harding. Okay, because if we killed you, the End Dragon plan wouldn't go as well.
And you've seen what's happened. Okay, the End Dragon plan failed and sucked.
Because you killed it. You said it earlier. The plan was stupid.
I know. Yeah, I know.
And which is why I think it's time I take the throne and deal with this.
Weapons down. He's my fight. Are you actually serious? You're actually gonna duel the most powerful thing in the universe now? Well, I'd like to see you try. What you're about to do is a mistake.
Oh yeah, you're about to experience my full power.
Well then, give me your best shot. God, I wonder when Rosie and John are gonna get back. It depends. They're just taking their time. Hey, maybe they're dating. Shut up. Hey guys. Hey, Rosie, you're back. Where's John? John betrayed us. Wait, what? He betrayed us. I mean, when I went over there, he offered me to join the Ender, and I said no. But apparently, he's been a part of it the entire time. So beyond our backs, he's learned all our moves. He's learned all of our moves. So, and he's one of the strongest. He's one of the strongest in the team. This means, wait a minute, considering he's fallen to the Ender, which means we're screwed. Apparently, he was created by the Sith. They call him Darth Death. It was a stupid name, honestly. Not really that creative, honestly. Really stupid. I mean, he's got a point, but why would he do it? I don't know. But he offered me to join, but look where I am now. I mean, there's no point. I just don't know what we're gonna do now. We'll figure something out. Hopefully. Ah. Wait, brother? I'm here to get you out. I need your help. Wait a minute. Why are you doing this? Darth Death, he killed Enderbrine. He's taken over the base. There's no more Ender Pigs anymore. They've been transformed into these dead X's apparently. I decided to take a stand, and I managed to strike him down, but he escaped, only with a few wounds. But I thought you were on the bad guy's side. Why are you helping me? Because it's the right thing to do. I don't want to be part of the Ender anymore. I've seen my ways. It's not right. Here, take this. You're gonna need it, just in case. Then you really have seen the light. Come, I know a place where we can hang out. Come on, follow me. Okay, I'll mind the guards though. Yes, the long-awaited Sith has finally arrived. The one they call Darth Death, finally revealing himself from the shadows. Now I see you have wings on you. I was defeated by the one they called Darth Vader. He betrayed me, betrayed everyone, and now he must die. And what did you do? Look at his helmet. He's wounded as well. But I can take it. No, you cannot. There's something that we Sith used to use. We used to use ancient relics around here. Find the broken pieces, put them together, and hope for your destiny. I will do. It's a real deep shame, really. I mean, why would someone do that? Yeah, I mean, that's such. Why? Also, I've got to build a new lightsaber. He broke it. Wait, John destroyed your lightsaber? Yeah. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, you'll get used to it. Yeah, but like, I can't go back, otherwise I'm gonna die. You rebuild yours. True, but you'll get over it. Okay, we're here. Wait a minute, you brought me to the Ninja Bird base? Yeah. Wait a minute, Darth Ender? What the hell are you doing here? Yeah, what the hell? And why are you with him? Are you holding him hostage? No, you don't understand. This is my idea, okay? Look, I'm free now, which is a good thing, but we have something to confess. I've left the Ninja group, okay? I left it. What Darth Death's doing is over the top. I mean, what he's gonna do, everything will die. I still don't believe you. Shh. I tried to fight him and stop him, but you can tell that worked. His goal is to kill everyone that doesn't obey him, hunt you guys down, and take over the world and create his own empire so it can be ruler of the universe, he says. So he's just gonna do that with those dumb ender pigs? No, we had to kill a few on the way here, but they're called dead X's now. They've been injected by some fluid. We're not quite sure what it is. I don't know honestly, but they've been injected by some power fluid, so they're a lot more stronger and intelligent, and they no longer wield melee weapons. They just use long range weapons. We had to kill a few on the way here anyway. Oh, well, that's a surprise. I mean, everything's changing so fast. I know, but you won't be able to stop him. I know that. I almost knew everything about him. I mean, he's hanged out with you guys for so long to the point where he knows all of your moves. Yeah, we kind of caught on to that. So yeah, there's no point in stopping him, which is what I have in my bag. I'll show you in a sec. But what if it is possible? I mean, what about the Angry Birds that came before us? I think we should finish what they started. We end this war. I mean, like, something. I mean, it's time to finish everything. Agreed. We're not letting someone from the Sith take over this universe. Yeah, I mean, like, this is some Star Wars crap right here. Yep. Alright, I'm with your plan. I guess I'll join. So, what are we gonna do now? No, wear the mask. And fulfill your destiny.